Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. Today is a different video than my usual video. This is an ode to one of my very best friends, Mel Thompson, and her Tiny Marvels palette. A year ago today, she went to be with the Lord. She went to be an artist in heaven. It's been a rough year. Not gonna lie about that. Some of you know, but anyway. I wanted to honor her today by doing one of her favorite looks. It was her last look from the Tiny Marvels palette on her birthday last year. And in it, she's using some of the most favorite shades of the palette, and mine too. Only one is missing, and that's Mantis. But in any case, I wanted to do that and honor her. If you have this, maybe you want to do this look today. Yeah? Okay. Here it is. I want to say before you leave that I hope you never forget. If you're here, because you were Mel's subscriber, and a lot of you are, and you're also a subscriber of mine, I hope that you guys have never, ever forget how much she treasured you, how much she loved you. She did. She talked about you to me all the time, some of you by name. So I hope you never forget that. I hope you never forget how much you mean to me, and that you are the best part of the Fritzy family, okay? And if you're not feeling blessed, if you feel like, you want to turn that day around, just go be a blessing to somebody else and watch how much that changes, how much better you feel. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye. And I'm out.